Hi, this is Kathaperumal Parimanam from Vishwa Software College. This is the video about gross salary bill in Python sample code for beginners. If you have any doubt or queries related to Python, please you are welcome to comment in this comment section. Here our team is happily ready to help you regarding Python. Okay, come on. Now we are going to see the video step by step. Our mission in this video, part 1, we are calculating the gross salary Our mission is to calculate the gross salary and later net salary and everything based on the input from the user. We are getting two inputs from the user. One, total days he worked in the last month. Second, compensation per day. Based on these two inputs, we can calculate everything like gross salary, net salary, everything. We can see how we are achieving that. First, total days. We are getting input from the user as total days. Total days is equal to input, enter the total days you worked in the last month. Another input is compensation. Compensation is integer input, enter the compensation per day. With these two input, we can calculate the basic salary. Basic salary is equal to basic salary is equal to total days multiplied by compensation. That is total days into compensation. This is the basic salary. With the help of basic salary, we can arrive HRA, traveling allowance, everything. We can, in order to reduce the typing time, we replace the code with 1 in the, okay. HRA is equal to basic salary star 40. If you are in metropolitan city, it will come 0.50. Then conveyance, special allowance, medical expenses, everything. Provident fund, professional tax, etc. First, we are calculating gross salary. Gross salary is nothing but addition of basic salary, HRA, conveyance, special allowance, medical expenses. Next line is print. Okay, now we are saving the code and getting the output. Number of days you served 31 days. Compensation per day 1000 rupee. We are getting gross salary. Okay, but this is not enough. This is version 1. In the version 2, we are seeing detailed. In this Python sample code for the payroll or pay bill, we have calculated gross salary. Now we need to calculate net salary. For the net salary, first we have to arrive deductions. In our case, deductions is equal to provident fund plus professional tax. Okay, in the next line, we are going to calculate net salary is equal to, net salary is nothing but gross salary minus deductions. So, net salary is equal to gross salary minus deductions. Okay, we need to show it in the print area. Okay, we are copying the gross salary template and paste it in the next line. We are removing gross salary and replace by net salary. Net salary. Okay, now we are saving the code and seeing the output. Enter the number of days you served, 31 days, compensation per day 1000 rupees. Okay, now we have calculated gross salary and net salary in this Python sample code for the salary slip. But we need to show everything like basic pay, HRA, conveyance, special allowance, everything. So, in the next part of this version, we are doing all those things. So far, we have calculated gross salary and net salary. In the next updated version of this code, we need to format everything like output screen, and we need to show the conveyance and other thing. For that, we are replacing the code. Total days, compensation, everything common. Now we are formatting the output. We have used 10.2f for the float, basic salary, conveyance, special allowance, medical expense, provident fund, professional tax, everything we are altered. Now we are seeing the output. Total number of days 31, compensation per day is 1000 rupee. Okay, basic salary, conveyance, everything in the format now. Addition. Okay, addition of basic salary, conveyance, special allowance, medical expense is gross salary. And addition of provident fund, professional tax is total deductions. So, gross salary minus total deduction is net salary. But even in this is not enough, because for whose salary this payable is, from which company, like that. In the next portion, we are updating the record format. In it, we are going to format individual name, company name, everything in the output. As we discussed, in this portion of this code, we are going to add the employee name. Employee name or EMP name. Emp name is equal to input, enter your name. In the next line, we are going to get employee code. In the pay bill, we have to mention employee name, employee code, mainly designation. Okay. Employee code and designation. Okay. Then we need to format the heading portion of the pay bill. like company name, which month, for whose salary it is, like that. Here we are going to format. For that, to save the time, we are paste the code here. Okay, we have pasted employee name, employee code, designation. Okay, and we have altered company name, employee name, and mainly for the salary for the month of. Okay, now saving the code, and we need to run. Wow, invalid. For the version we missed the hashtag. Okay, now we are again saving and run. Enter your name. So now we are entering the employee's name here and employee's code. Then enter his designation, team leader in this example. Okay, as usual, days served 25, compensation per day 2000. Okay, now we are getting a complete format for the pay bill. This is the complete Python sample code for the pay bill. Employee name, employee code, designation, salary for which month, everything comes in this pay bill. This is the complete. And this Python sample code for the employee's gross salary bill by Vishwa Software College. If you like our channel, please subscribe. If you can see all kinds of Python sample code videos here, please share these videos to your friends, please. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you.